Alright guys, so I decided to take the time to do the engine cleaning that I was saying on the video earlier. So what I'm gonna use is this bad boy right here. Let me see if y'all can see it. This one's supposed to be better than original Purple Power, 2 times more as far as aggressive to clean dirt. So I'm gonna use it all the way around. I don't know if the camera can pick up how nasty it is of the dirt. It probably won't pick up as much. And I'm also gonna do bottom of the hood, I guess. Can't see it on the camera, but but I'm gonna get all that too. And everywhere around the engine, the manifold behind the engine, which you can't see too much, all the way around the engine bay. Long story short, I'm going to spray it, go from there, and then let it sit. It don't say how long before you wipe it off, but I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna spray enough and then wipe it off real good. I don't know if you guys can see me, but make sure that the engine and the transmission is cool. Make sure it's not hot. Make sure everything's cooled down before you do all this. And I was gonna do a pressure washer, but I don't wanna. There's a lot of stuff that got deleted, and I gotta go through it, make sure the sensors is there and all this other stuff. It's like a lot of stuff the previous owner tucked in different places where I seen some of the sensors that's open. There's nothing blocking it to where if water got in there and it'd be bad, so it'd be bad. So I don't want to do with a press washer. I just want to do it this way. So for now, this should work. I want to spray a little bit more and let it dry and come back and wipe it down. So I'm probably going to do it like maybe 10 minutes or so, and I'm going to come back and wipe everything off. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll see you guys real soon. Alright guys, so 10 minutes went by. So now I'm going to get to wiping, make sure everything's clean. Alright, so I finally finished with the wiping. So now it might somewhat still look the same because some of that paint or whatever the car comes with, as far as the all this metal parts right here, if it's like dirty looking or whatever, it's like it didn't clean much. I was just trying to clean the oil spots to where the head of the car was rebuilt recently and left a mess all over the place here, all the way around. So I'm just trying to make sure I get all the grease and oil out of there so I can see if there was any leaks coming in the future. I had to close the garage because there was a bird chirping so loud I barely hear him, so it's all good. So after that, I'm still gonna do the top or the bottom of the hood right here. I'm gonna get that done real quick. I'm going to eat real quick also, so when I do this, I'm gonna do it out. I'm not gonna film this part right here because it's gonna be like just basic and it don't need to really be on video because it's so basic and so easy. Like I said, the main thing was all the way around. I will open the garage, but like I said, the bird is chirping so loud, and if you saw it, I just wiped everything down, all that oil and grease out, so it looks better. Like, you can't really tell on camera, but like if you're in person, you can see it. So that was my second video for the car, for the SRT4. Like I said, I'm gonna do this here, the hood. I'm not gonna film that one, and then after that, I'm going to eat. And maybe I might do the third video for the car. Today we'll be washing it, make sure it's clean because it's really dirty. I'm not sure yet, it might be a different day. I'm not sure, but that will be my second video for the moment. Cleaning the engine bay, you know, because it's dirty, so I did that. I would like to thank everybody that watched this video, the last video, and all my videos, supported me. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next one.